Hey, what's up everybody? I want to make a couple of short videos, 6. I want to make a video for each one of the little snakes that we hatched out this year. Let's start out by showing you the parents over here. So just give me a second, I'll get this thing turned around. Alright, so over here is the mother. She's a very big girl. She is Super Pastel Clown. Alright, so that's the mother, and down here on the bottom we have the father. This is a visual clown, visual VPI axanthic. Both of those genes are recessive, so just in those genes alone, he has 4 genes in order to make him a double visual. And on top of that, you can see these little tiny lines. Those are spider lines. He has a copy of Pastel, also 1 copy of Pinstripe. His name is Samson, and her name is Diamond. Let's get started on these short videos of these baby snakes.
This little guy is India.
Let's get India over here on our makeshift platform. India actually looks like her mama. She's not as bright as she usually is. You can see her little eyes are very dull. Usually she's very bright, pretty green eyes, and a little bit more yellow. She's dulled out because she's going through a shed. Look at the colors, look at the markings. That's a gorgeous, indicative of clown. Look at the chain links. Her name should be Chain Link. Today we're gonna probe her, and we're gonna get a weight. They have been eating awesomely. I'm not sure if Timmy's been feeding them. I think he's feeding them pre-killed. Not frozen thawed yet, but pre-killed. So they still have their warmth. Gorgeous, gorgeous little snake. I can show you its mama. Show you what. That right there is that snake's mama. See all the patterns and markings and little dots and squiggles. She is a Super Pastel Clown. That's why she is so yellow. But India, I think she has to acquire 1 pastel gene from the mother because it's Super Pastel. She has to acquire clown because the mother and father are both the recessive clown gene, but the father is also another recessive gene that passed on that is hidden inside of here, like all these 6 babies, and that is VPI axanthic. So this little baby, I did a little bit of research on this. There's not too much out there, but there's 1 or 2 that with these little tiny pins going down. I saw 1 other one, and that they called that one, which I'm going to call this one because it Pinstripe, Super Pastel, Clown, Het VPI axanthic. There's a couple of different names it could be in the ball python community. It can either be a Killer Clown Pinstripe, or it could be Clown Super Blast. Super Blast is Pastel, Pinstripe. Killer Clown Pinstripe is Pastel, Clown with Pinstripe. So it's kind of crazy. There's all different names, and that's what I'm going to go with this little one. Gorgeous little baby snake. So right now we're going to get a weight, and then we are going to probe little India to see if it is a boy or a girl. India. We're all set. India's coming in at 120 grams. Nice. Nice weight. Pretty snake. Are you going to let me probe you to see if you are a boy India or a girl India? You're not being very cooperative. Let's see how you're going to be. And let's probe her. We'll find out exactly what she is, he is, it is. Gorgeous snake. No problems, no body problems, no twists. Umbilicus still healed up. Alright, so we got our weight. Let's see if it's a boy or a girl. Can I please have your cloaca here, baby snake? It'd be much easier if you stayed in a little ball in my hand. But today you want to go crazy. Let's see if I can get your tail muscles loose, at least, so I can. You don't want to go upside down today at all, huh? Alright, let's see. her tail. I feel like I'm hitting a wall there. So I'm going to say that this is a little female. A little female killer clown pinstripe or clown super blast. All right, I'm gonna get this little girl, India, back in her tub, back in her slot, in her rack. Where she can relax and chill out. Alright everybody, that's about it. I just wanted to show up a baby snake or two. These guys will all be on our Morphmarket store. You can find the link in the description of this video. So, have a great day. Be safe. We'll catch you next time.